Snap right in half.
You're making me nervous.
And
We'll tip yours up and start judging it, eh?
Oh,
It's always Sean's shit. Always Sean's shit.
what happened here, Sean?
Crack the frame.
Crack the frame?
Yeah.
You are good at wrecking stuff, my friend. So we got a nice frame crack all the way through there. Where's the other one? It's down here somewhere.
Alright, we
Yeah, there it is, right there.
Nigel's fucking mirror or something.
What do you want to do?
I'm just gonna pull this. Trying to pull it back a little bit, maybe. I don't know.
Pull what back, like this down and in?
Would you get off the ratchet strap?
Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm just seeing what you're up
Why don't you do
to.
something useful? Pull this back. No. I'm just gonna try and get it kind of.
Make sure you put it over his brake
I was
line
gonna say,
there.
let's put it over the brake linkage here.
I'm gonna tie Matt's front bumper and see which one rips off first.
I don't know if we can get this fucking.
Have you tried setting it down and seeing if it goes back to its home?
What was it?
That's what you're trying to do, right? Pull it back?
Yeah, I wasn't home on the trail.
Pull on it a little bit.
It was, yeah. Pretty damn close.
What's that?
Pull on it.
Good?
That's good, yeah.
That was it.
Look at that, perfect spot for your drink, huh?
Yeah. It's empty.
I'm probably just gonna start pulling the whole quad back. No.
Bind it up.
I don't want. Here, you smash on it. I don't want to fucking cave it in.
You don't want to be that guy?
No.
There you go. You tap full side. To the left, to the left.
That way, eh? Yeah. Oh boy.
Hammer it in.
Look at that, factory.
Time to sell it. Do you want to buy the next?
Mint condition. Never been off.
Give her a shot.
Never been written off even once.
Well, how's this gonna work out of the rat? Well, maybe I can take the ratchet strap out. Now it'll sit there. Try it.
Sure can try it.
No, they just, I'll like, we'll just head your direction, I guess. Maybe a massage.
Yeah, you're good. If it's off. Look at that. Fixed.
I just need a welder, eh?
Sean, you're the YouTube star.
Who's a YouTube star? Who's the one making shit cool? Where'd that wrench go?
In your hand?
Right there. Isn't that what always happens?
Like 5 fires going in the different areas.
Yeah, they're kind of camping. This is looking nice.
Is that working?
No, but maybe. What do you think, Scott?
It looks perfect.
Mint.
I'll go one through the, yeah.
Box in.
Yeah.
Like, keep that
Go on the
wrench
other
there.
side of the tab if you can.
Like down here?
Yeah.
Go around that brake linkage.
Benjamin?
Hold that down.
I can't really go around that.
Oh.
I don't even think I'm going to weld this with this hole.
Probably don't need to.
Pliers? Maybe some more zip ties.
Lots of zip ties on there. They're cheap.
Yep. Cheap
Whole
insurance.
bag of zip ties.
Cheaper than a new quad. That snorkel job rubbing through the frame.
Would you get out of there?
Sorry. This isn't a motorcycle mechanic approved repair.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
I'm pretty sure that's shop you work at. I'm not gonna mention any names. But,
Don't worry about that when it's completely done.
that one.
Are you gonna worry about that one? It's right in half.
No, that one's right cracked, eh? That'll be good though.
What's your plan for welding this? Are you just gonna butt weld it, or you want to put a little piece of cross brace in here, maybe, or
You
something?
just weld the wrench right to it.
There's gonna be some. There's gonna be something done.
Some plating, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might as well do the other side too, because if it happened on this side, what's to say it's not gonna
Benjamin,
happen?
I'm
Yeah.
not gonna have 15 wrenches zip tied around here.
I'm
right?
saying when you're welding shit up, we should maybe plate some more stuff.
Oh yeah.
While we're at it.
Yeah, we might as well. Just put a plate across right here.
Yep.
A gusset.
Or if you could
almost.
notch a piece of pipe to sit in there nicely, because it'll probably affect your skid plate maybe if you put a plate on there. I don't know.
It's probably from when I got rolled before I bought it.
Probably.
Yeah.
He probably even knew about it.
Oh yeah. I had a whole bunch of zip ties. Where'd they all go? They're on there.
Let's take a good look at this pair. We got a wrench, zip tied to the frame.
Oh,
Where's the crack? Oh, he does such
So
a good
strong.
job you can't even see the crack anymore. Nice.
You're gonna run out of wrenches.
Well, no, not if I only use
Oh.
two.
what's Uncle Sean doing in here?
That's pretty funny, isn't it? This is cool. I've never done this one. So when we're in Revelstoke, make sure we got big zip ties and a few extra wrenches.
Gotta keep Sean's chassis together.
I broke my frame twice this year. Well, once on the sled.
Twice on the sled.
Yeah.
In the same place.
Bumper a couple times. You know, the usual stuff.
Yeah, you like breaking stuff.
Yep. Works pretty good. This one's just for safety when it falls off. So the wrench is still there.
Yeah. Get your ball.
You gotta put your skid plate on it, right?
Yeah. Probably should do that.
Yeah, probably.
Just so
Right,
everyone's
whole
clear.
day, he's just like, something's loose.
Yeah, this is Scott's idea. It's not my idea.
You want to quad today or not, Sean?
No, I know. This'll work.
That's fine. Nope.
It's just you're so negative, Matt.
I haven't been saying anything. I'm just watching.
No, but you're behind the scenes. You're saying stuff and cutting it out. I know how it works.
You ain't cutting shit out.
I like watching you work.
This is for when the repair doesn't work.
Gonna rope it back together.
No other reason.
I think we're gonna need a bigger rope.
Oh,
And now you're worried about your snorkel.
I'm just gonna quit looking at you.
Ben caught that one, not even
guys
me.
Quit. You guys cause me more work than good at, than ever. You know that?
Ben caught that one, not me.
Look at this. They made a custom oil filter to not go through this. Oh wait.
It's
go-
custom oil filter to not go through this, rub through the snorkel connection.
Probably just pull the filter off. Give it a little tap in one corner.
Yeah, you know where it's supposed to be bent in now.
Sean broke some again.
You sure did.
You and your Danishes.
Oh, that's working good.
That looks good, eh?
Ben, you know what? You're hired. You're our new journeyman.
I am. I'm not bad at making African American. Not good. African Americanizing stuff.
Jerry rigging.
That's right, Jerry Reagan.
We're wrenching other wrenches. I don't know. If it's gonna break, it's gonna break, I guess, too.
I just drop it, see what happens.
Might as well know right away.
Looks like I need to change his boot too. She's really cracking. See that?
Oh, yeah. Time to do that too. Yeah.
So I need that blue thing.
You have to pull the diff for that one.
Really? That's sweet.
Yep.
Just put a whole bunch of silicone around that moving part. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Be good. You can't even tell. Professional.
You can't even tell that this was a repair made in the bush. Skid plates back on, Sean?
What wrenches?
And this is now for sale!
Look at that, it looks brand new. What
Can't
wrenches?
see it, there's no problem, right?
That's right.
What's right out of mine?
What zip ties? Okay. Should we drop it?
Well, you might as well know right away if it's gonna break or not.
Okay. Clear.
Just let her flop down.
Right here.
You want to hold bottom and I'll undo this for you?
Yeah, that'll do.
You're just going to let it go?
All right, let's see what happens.
All right.
They're gonna snap right in half.
You think so?
Snap right in half.
Try to get the
You're
whole
making me nervous.
And snap!
I didn't hear nothing.
Nope, not even a clunk.
Nope.
Mint.
Take the brake off.
The wind doesn't sound very nice, does it?
Not really.